This is an example for switching loads with the EMDO. We are controlling a Philips Hue LED lamp in this demonstration. The lamp is switched on and off with a solid state relay connected to the first EMDO SO output. When the lamp is switched on, we are able to control the color of the lamp. In addition, a homematic smart home wireless actor is switched on and off. The state is visible at the status LED with some delay. The basic program itself is very simple. We just call subroutines to set up the state of the homematic and Philips gateway and the SO output. The subroutines update the gateways and send a HTTP request to the corresponding gateways. The gateway then transmits the command wirelessly to the lamp and the wireless switch actor. These subroutines can be rewritten to your favorite smart home solution, as most solutions have an open interface to do so. The Philips Hue LED lamp could be combined with a monitoring example to adjust the color of the LED depending on the house power consumption or PV plant power production. It's also possible to control the EMDO externally with basic variable state and color. We switch the LED on by manipulating the state variable over a JSON command to the EMDO. We read the state back with a JSON command. We change the color of the lamp, and we read the color back and the state.